Got one. First fish in the boat. Hopefully. Definitely not big. That's a fish. There she is. This ain't no monster, but it's definitely a special fish. First one. Hadn't been fishing too hard because I had no rod holders, but also just because I'm trying to learn how to run the river, and so haven't really even fished much off of this thing. Plus it's the spawn, so I figured I wasn't missing much, and tried to start fishing this week, and sure enough I wasn't catching shit. So it feels good to finally get one. All right, let's put him back. Hardest part's over, getting the first fish. But yeah, once the spawn gets finished up here shortly, we'll be in a little bit better shape. What I'm doing right now is I'm fishing against these rocks because this is probably an area that they'll spawn against, up against this riprap. And so yeah, I'm just enjoying the crazy amount of freedom you have on this thing. Now, I used to being able to fish more than one spot when I go out, so it's definitely new to me. So I got a lot to learn still. I've learned a lot in this past month. It's like 98 degrees right now. I'm sweating like crazy, but man, I can't resist being out on this thing. Waited too long to get on this. Yeah, we got another one. Tiny. Hey, I'll take it, man. For the spawn, I will take it. You would think, now that I got a boat, I'd be smart enough to bring my net, but I'm not. There's number 2. Look at the belly on this thing. That is a fish. Tell you what, it's a whole different world being able to handle these fish on an aluminum deck and not dirt, mud, sand. I probably will get a new camera set up on here too. Just, you know, just another thing on the list that never ends of shit that you need to get for a boat. So be on the lookout for that as well. But man, it's nice to break the ice on this thing finally. But yeah, for 98 degrees, middle of June, spawn probably getting started right about now. I'll take the little ones. It's not that bad.